Aren't we a nice tidy bit of gear? 1960 Morris Minor 1000. Imported by Lancaster Motors in William Street, Sydney. I grew up in Sydney. Oh, no, actually I never ever grew up. It's had a lot of love over the years. Power booster. Things just changed to make it safer and better for modern motoring. Okay, dokie. It has got currently a set of extractors that have been modified by somebody in sections, a bit hard to show you. Not at all like the ones that came down and two pipes through like the Morris Minor that we worked on last week, or the ones prior to that. But anyway, we'll get it up in the air and show you what needs to be done. So stay tuned, this will be another Morri Magic video. Well, this little beastie has come in with a 2-inch exhaust on it. And it's been on there for quite a while, I'd say. That's the old style single in twin out dumpy tip being put on by somebody. A large cover over the fuel tank. That is not the fuel tank, that is just a cover, but gee, it looks cool. 2-inch up and over. Looks like it may have been hitting the diff there. It's certainly seen better days. And it's time just to delete all of this sort of thing and go again. Wants it to sound sporty, but not over the top. So what we're going to do is absolutely nothing through here. And we're going to build from the bottom of the extractors, or maybe here, and just get it higher. Just wants another system through and build it back and mount it up. I'm not going to do it too loud. I'm not going to do it super duper quiet. It is the 1 litre engine. It is not the 1275 Marina motor. It is not the Nissan 1200 or 1400 engine. So we'll get into it, strip it down, and we'll make it. So keep watching and you'll see what happens. Well, as you can see, the joining plate's been put on here. It was very much a jigsaw puzzle before that. They've got some 2-inch plates to allow for the angle to come on for where this was cut obliquely. Is that a word? Might not even be the right word. Anyway, it was cut on an angle which filled up the hole, and it didn't end up having to come down here. So it's got the plate on there and tubing here expanded up to suit, so it's nice flowy. This is a Berkeley 5-inch by 3-inch fiberglass packed resonator. It's louvered. Of course, the louver's at the back because they swirl past it, they don't blow into it. Mounted up, that mounts okay. Put a new tag on it, clamped, and up nice and high. The other part has been made and it's coming out to here. You'll see that in just a moment. New strapping, new tag, and it'll look and sound quite good without the multiple pieces of thousands of bends and big twin outlet, 2-inch, a little bit big for the 1 litre, and the resonator wasn't 2-inch anyway. So there we go. Keep watching. Put it all together, and this red rocket with the 5-speed manual transmission will start it up and give you a bit of a look and listen upon completion. So there we are with a bit of a side view from the back. All clamped up. Nice height. Nice angle, clear of everything. Ducking under. Your new mount. Loads of clearance. Rear's a slip join. To the resonator, come muffler, come whatever you want to call it, and onto a fixed plate. So everything can be replaced sectionally down the track when this 66-year-old motor vehicle requires yet another exhaust system in however many years that may be, because hey, this is very strong. So let's have a listen. Well, there it is at idle, very here's your final sound check. Very reminiscent of the early Minis. Alright, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share this with anybody who likes the older vehicles, or just the sound of the classic sort of sound of the little cars that used to be everywhere once, and sadly now not so many. Alright, bye for now.